Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to install Oxence WordPress theme and import demo content. So first of all, let me go in website dashboard, and then you can go here appearance and themes. So you can install a premium WordPress theme, then you can go here add theme and then upload theme file. So let me show you, here is the theme file. So first of all, we need to extract this file here, and then inside this file, here you can see these are the actual theme files. So these two files we need to upload one by one. Now select one file, theme, then Oxence. So this one is parent theme and it will take few seconds, so let's wait. Theme is installed, so let's activate this theme and then go back. Now we need to install a child theme. Click on add theme, then upload theme, then select the theme file, then click on install button and activate it. So now we need to install these plugins. You can also go from here required plugins, and then here you can see these are all of the plugins that we need to install. So first of all, I want to install this one, WooCommerce, and then activate this plugin. And now we need to install these remaining plugins, so let's go back, select all of the plugins and click on install button, then apply. This way you can easily install multiple plugins at once. And now let's activate these plugins. So let me activate this one, Elementor. And now activate these remaining plugins, and then click here store coming soon, and we need to change it to live. Then click on save changes, then go to permalink structure, make sure that you have selected this one. Okay, now we have installed all of the required plugins as well as theme. So now let's go back, appearance, then import demo data. Scroll down and here you can install light demo as well as dark. So now let's go with light demo. You can also preview before installing, and then click here continue and import. So it will take few minutes. So guys, demo content is installed. You can go and visit the website. Okay, here you can see it's working fine. So if you want to edit this menu, then you can go on this page, and if you want to change logo, then you can go to theme customizer, and if you want to change this content, then you can go here and click on edit with Elementor.